Good morning, Legion. The video today is about one thing and one thing only: why IronClaw is inevitable. You'll find this graphic on the IronClaw website. Let's break down exactly why IronClaw is built differently from OpenClaw. First, we have language. OpenClaw uses TypeScript, which is easy to write but runs slower. IronClaw uses Rust, which is harder to learn but runs faster and catches more mistakes. Analogously, this is like writing a quick note versus carving in stone. Second, memory safety. OpenClaw cleans up memory while the program runs, which can miss problems. IronClaw catches memory mistakes before the program ever starts. One fixes problems as they happen, the other prevents them entirely. Third, secret handling. In OpenClaw, the AI can read your passwords and keys directly. In IronClaw, secrets are locked away and the AI can use them but never see them. It's like leaving keys on the counter versus keeping them in a safe. Next, tool isolation. OpenClaw runs all tools together in one shared space. IronClaw gives each tool its own sandbox so they cannot interfere with each other. This is akin to roommates sharing one room versus each having their own apartment. Last but not least, prompt injection. OpenClaw relies on asking the AI nicely not to share your secrets. IronClaw is built so the AI physically cannot leak them. One is a rule, the other is a locked door. And finally, network control. OpenClaw lets the AI call any website it wants. IronClaw only lets the AI call websites that you have approved or approved in the past or ahead of time. It's the difference between giving someone your credit card versus a gift card to a specific store. As my IronClaw agent says, IronClaw is security by design, not security by request. Now, just a short note of what to expect when setting up IronClaw. In the agent screen, you have chat, memory, jobs, routines, extensions, and skills. There are already quite a few extensions, but most curious is the idea that you can set up custom routines for your agent, have it provide a daily brief or check-in, and so forth. As a whole, this is like the V0.5 of IronClaw. It's 2 weeks old, but the future is bright for IronClaw and very exciting for the IronClaw community of power users that are currently learning the ins and outs of the most secure, high-potential AI product in the world right now. Stay on the lookout for updates to IronClaw Access, near token integrations with the product, and credit opportunities in the Near Legion chat.